Hi everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and the game is crashing at compiler shaders on PC Steam, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. So the first step is you want to head over to your game directory, you want to head over to Steam, steamapps, common, Pragmata. Then you want to make sure that you delete this shader cache file over here and the config file over here. The next step is you want to make sure that you're on the latest GPU drivers. If you have a NVIDIA GPU, you want to right click on your desktop, you want to head over to NVIDIA app, you want to head over to drivers and make sure that you download and install the latest driver from over here. If for some case your NVIDIA app isn't working, then you want to head over to this link. I'll leave all of the links in the description box below. You want to write your GPU name over here and your Windows version over here. You want to press find over here. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds to find your GPU driver for you. And then you can download the latest GPU driver from over here. If you have an Intel GPU, then you want to head over to this link. You want to press graphics over here. Let's say you have a B580 GPU. You want to write B580 in the search box over here. Then you want to select B580 over here. Then you can download the latest driver from over here. If you have an AMD GPU, then you want to head over to this link. You want to select your GPU name over here, and then you want to press submit. Now it's going to find your GPU driver for you. Then you want to select your Windows version and then press download the latest driver from over here. The next step is you want to make sure that you download this DXCache software development kit. You want to select your language over here and then press download and then install this DXCache software development kit. After this is done, then you want to right click on your desktop. If you have a NVIDIA GPU, you want to head over to NVIDIA Control Panel. Then on the top left, you'll see this help icon. You want to make sure that debug mode is turned on. You want to make sure that there is a tick right over here. The next step is you want to make sure that you reset your GPU shader cache. You want to press Windows plus R on your keyboard. You want to head over to app data. Then if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you want to head over to local, then NVIDIA folder. Then you want to make sure that you delete both of these folders over here. If you have an Intel GPU, then you want to again head over to app data. You want to head over to local load, then Intel folder. Then you want to delete this shader cache folder over here. If you have an AMD GPU, then to reset the shader cache, you want to open up your AMD control panel. Then you want to write reset shader cache right over here in the search box. Then you want to performance reset of shader cache by clicking this icon over here. Then the last step is you want to download the Microsoft Visual C++ packages. You want to head over to this link. Then you want to scroll down. Once you find the x86 and x64 links, you want to download both of these links and install both of these files. After you're done installing, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. So guys, that's it for the video. If this video helped you and solved your issue, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with the next one.